Guess what?
Almost die. Fuck it.
Shit, nag-rock climbing kami, guys. Good morning, Philippines. Canada pala tayo. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, another day, another hike. We're going to Heart Mountain. And it's a 10-kilometer hike. And yeah. Let's go!
So, yun na po yung peak.
Ito po tayo dun.
So, kaya mo, babe?
Kakayanin, sir.
Tori? Kaya ba ni Tori?
Let's go, kaya yan.
Let's go, Tori! Scrambler's route na. Simula na ng pighati.
Kami sa river.
Dumaan kami sa river. Hindi namin na video. So, guys, we chose the scrambling route instead of the safe route.
That's the one.
Safe daw to. Tignan mo.
Just a less safer.
Less safer. Tignan nyo, guys. Ah. Yan. Hindi nyo kita. That's okay. Ha? Hi, Tori. Hi, bebe. Come. Yes, you made it. You made it. You made it to the next level. Ano daw, babe?
Hell's Kitchen.
Anong ginagawa mo, babe? Anong ginagawa mo?
Ginagawa mo.
Check ko kung tama pa yung decision natin.
Oo. Kasi ayan na, oh. Ayan na ang... Anong tawag dito?
Tori!
Panganib. Ginagawa mo. Gawa ng mga to. Ginagawa mo. Bakit mo? Paghihirap. Babe. Mahirap magkaroon ng anak. Yan na.
Maghintay ka na dyan sa taas. Kaya mo na. Wow! Flower.
Wala kailangan. Wow. Tari. Hindi na mamansin to. Umakit lang ako sandali eh. Wow. Yun na po. Isang panganib na naman, mapiligrong daan. Pero lahat gagawin namin, mapunta lang kami sa puso nyo. Bruh. We're in the peak. We can do it. We can do it, show yo. Just a little bit more. Go, Christina. Go, Tori.
baba, oh.
Hindi nyo po kita, pero sobrang baba. Kung nakikita nyo po.
Ano mo na maglulupa?
Sorry.
Kaya mo siya.
What's that? What's that?
Come here. So, mahiga. Malamig.
Ginagawa mo. Ginagawa mo. Guess
We
what?
almost die. Cockhead.
Set, nag-rock climbing kami, guys.
So, hindi na kami nakapag-video kasi sobrang
Rock climbing talaga legit.
as in, siguro mga 80%.
Di ba, grabe yun, no?
Mga ganun, 80%. Like,
Kaya ko na nga lang tumingin sa baba.
Yeah,
kasi
wag ka na
I feel
lang
like
tumingin.
dying.
So,
Gan.
So, we're in the middle of the summit now. I can show you guys.
So, yeah, surprise, we missed Heart Mountain. And over there. That one. We miss your heart, I'm sorry. And talaga,
Yan yung heart.
yeah.
Oh.
We still made it to the summit.
Pero we made it to the...
Middle of the summit.
Kita ba?
We're there. Ayun yung summit, oh.
We already passed it. So we're on our way to going
To
home.
the lookout. No, this is the lookout, oh. Kasi, pag dumiretso tayo doon, may
May
lookout
lookout
pa.
pa.
Yeah,
Doon
isa.
na tayo.
That's the second peak. That's
Yeah.
the higher peak. But yeah,
See?
sad to say we miss your heart.
So, we actually,
No, we were
inside.
outside.
Outside the heart.
We were outside,
skipped
like
the
on
heart.
the side of the heart.
Yeah.
But it's still in
Missed
the
it.
heart.
We missed it.
Kala ko nga may bear dun.
Okay guys, yan na yung second peak. Like literally. Yan yung peak. Tapos doon kami dadaan. Yan kami kanina nagbawis buhay. Ayan. Tori Ruin.
Go to Tori.
Now we're on the ridge walk. It's high up here. This is the highest peak. This is the highest peak. Well, not highest. Like there's the highest, but we're close to it. Finally. A real happy.
Guys, we're here at the Grand MacEwan Peak. So, we already passed the Heart Mountain there. So, basically, the Heart Mountain Trail is consisting two peaks. So, yeah.
That's
Two
why it
peaks
forms
in
a heart.
Two peaks in a
But
part.
we skipped the first
Yeah,
peak.
we skipped the Heart Mountain because
So we went straight to the heart.
we went rock climbing down there. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want to try it yourself. I don't want to go with you. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye.
That's the heart-shaped mountain, guys. Two hearts.
Oh, ano?
Diba, baby?
Dalawang heart. Kaya tsaka akin.
Wow! May tatlo pa palang peak. At ito na yung tunay na papabagay. So, yan. Naintindihan nyo na kung bakit di namin kayo sasamahan pag nagaya kayo dito. Okay. Sorry. Bye!